Welcome to Flowgy. In this video, we will introduce the Polyline tool for 2D and 3D surgery. As it was with the 2D brush, we can access the Polyline tool in two different ways. By selecting this button here and already have everything here, or, which is the easiest way always, to go to our workflow and click Polyline, which also directs us into the same area. This tool is very useful to do a virtual surgery in 2D or 3D. It allows us to modify the anatomical structure of the CT scan. To set a polyline is very easy. Just go with your mouse button to your image and then click the right mouse button. Click it again to create a second, and when you click it a third time, you create already a closed polyline. If you click it more times, it would automatically open where you clicked. To add more points, just aim for the line and click the right mouse button. With the left mouse button, you have the option to move the poly point. And if you double click it with the left mouse button and hold, you have the option to move the whole polyline. As with the 2D brush, we want to have the polyline in every individual image. To do this, we just click here. Click W or S to go down or up from the image to see the difference. Here's a polyline, here's no polyline. Then, to get this polyline to the next picture, we click here to copy and then go down and paste. And there we already have our polyline in our second image. If we want our polyline to be in a specific range, we have the option to put here the first and the last slide. Our image range was already defined before, so we have like from image 312 to 242. We can select it as a range. We go to our first polyline, copy it, and then select the button range. Now you can see our polyline is in every single image of our range. As you can see here, when we come to 442, it's the last image, and one image more down it, it's already gone. And until 312, and above that, it's gone. To delete a single polyline, we can click here on clear, and we'll only take the polyline from one image away. As you can see, in 311 we have the polyline, but in 312 we do not have it anymore. We can also select that only a specific range is deleted, or we have the option that all polylines are deleted. Now we click just on the range, so everything is just gone again. Now I create another polyline to show how to add air or solid. That's an easy one. Just a triangle. You just click on air, say apply, and it applies air, or you click on solid, apply, and it applies solid. That you can also do only for the one that you selected, or for the range that you put on, or for all of the different polylines in every single image. The Contour 3D allows us to create an automated polyline. In our example, we take the range from 312 to 242. We start with the first image. Then I will show for the purpose, I will make a new polyline. We can modify it or put it a different way. I will like it like this. And then we set this first polyline as our contour. Is contour. Now you see that it is blued out and set as our first line. We copy it, then go a few more images down. In my case, I go now to 300. Paste it again. Move it a little bit around, like I would like to have it. And set it as a contour again. Copy it. Get to the next image, paste it, move it a bit around to make it more clear what we're going for. set it as a contour, copy it, go to our next image, do 260 in this case, paste it, move it a little bit, transform it, set it as a contour, copy it, and go to our last image, 242, like in our range. Paste it, and set it as a contour. It is very important that our first and last image in the range is set as a contour. Now we click the button Apply Contour. And now, as we did not have it before, we have a polyline in every single image of that range, and it is moving accordingly to the points. Important to say is when we work with the Contour 3D, we only have the option of selecting the individual points in the beginning. So, if we start here now in our first image, which is the 312, if we only set 5 points, we are not able to change this after doing the contour. So we have to be exactly very clear how many points we want in the beginning. We also cannot delete or add any more points after doing contour. The next step is to apply air or solid for our polyline. That we can do by selecting air or solid and then apply it to our range. And now all of our polylines have air inside, as you can see here. Or solid. No problem. Easily changeable at any time. As always, we can also save our polylines here on the left side. We just name it, save it, and search the directory, or if we already have saved polylines, we of course can upload it too. And this is how we can easily work with polylines in Flowgy.